My name is Leslie McMahon, and I am the Executive Director of the Professional Law Enforcement Association, or PLEA. I worked in my family insurance agency for many years before starting PLEA with my father. My father was very passionate about working with police officers because his father was a reserve police officer in the city of Detroit for many years. And he knew the joys of being law enforcement, he knew the pitfalls of being in law enforcement. He enjoyed giving them legal defense coverage more than he did in the insurance business. So he decided that he really wanted to start a new program and a new business, and he decided to call it PLEA.
A lot of the individuals that are members of the PLEA network as attorneys have a background in law enforcement. That's something that's very important when you're representing law enforcement, to understand what it's like to be in their shoes. I was a police officer and a PLEA member, and then I became an attorney so I could help represent those who are out there every day doing what I was doing. Police officers are questioned like they've never been before. What you do, what you say, is always going to be critiqued. Everybody's got a cell phone, everybody's got a video. The thing that makes police special as far as the services that we provide, if an officer is involved in an officer-involved shooting, if it's another critical incident, we get the call, we drop what we're doing, and we go. Additionally, they get an attorney to help with the representation on the defense side of it if they get sued civilly. That's unique because, of course, an agency will provide an attorney and they'll also pay the costs if there was to be a loss. But the reality is that attorney is an insurance attorney for the municipality. The PLEA attorneys, our focus is one thing, to help with the representation of our officer and our member. There's a dramatic difference between somebody who is represented by PLEA and who's not.
If the department deems you didn't violate any procedures, then they will represent you. But it's not their representation of me, it's the city's insurance company looking out for their behalf, not me as an individual. In the early 90s, we had a case where an individual died in our jail. I sat in the stands watching the 7 detention officers get eaten up on stand because they didn't have their own attorney. The attorney that was there only gave them the answers that the City of Lansing's insurance company wanted them to answer. It looked terrible, and I never wanted to be in that position. Things do happen in our realm of work. You're rolling the dice every day when you come to work. It's a stressful job. I used PLEA 3 times. 1 was for legal defense, 2 were civil. I know I had representation. I didn't have to mortgage my house for an attorney, and it's peace of mind. It's really peace of mind.
One of our goals and mission at PLEA is to keep it very affordable for all law enforcement, to give them some peace of mind, to make sure that when they're in a stressful situation, be it if they're a defendant in a civil lawsuit or they have criminal charges facing them, that they don't have to worry about the financial aspect of it. For the price of a pizza per month, basically, you can have coverage that is going to be unlimited as long as you go to a plan attorney in your civil, criminal, and administrative incidents. We want to protect you as you protect us.